Do you want to become a more powerful and confident public speaker that can make a big difference and impact thousands or millions of people? If that sounds like you, I want to introduce you to our StandOut Speakers Academy. We run events and have courses and programs designed specifically to teach you how to get your message out there in a clear, concise, and powerful way. Now, a lot of people have fear of public speaking, so if you're scared of public speaking, don't worry. A lot of people that come to our events are new to speaking too. Or if you've been speaking for a while, but maybe you just haven't had your big break yet. Maybe you're not getting booked for speaking gigs. Maybe you're not getting on the TV shows and radio shows and podcasts that you should be. It's probably because you've just got one of our 4 areas that aren't quite aligned yet. Firstly, you need to understand your purpose, your core message. Once you have that, you need to position yourself as an expert in that thing. Then you need to be a great presenter, an engaging presenter, because if you're boring, nobody is going to book you. And fourthly, you need to have products, services, programs that can help take people on a journey to go to that deeper level. These are the 4 core pillars of what we teach at the StandOut Speakers Academy and what we're going to be sharing at our events. If you want to know more info, just click the link. It'll take you through to our next page where we will explain for you in a lot more detail how our events work and how we can help you become the speaker that you are destined to be.